Hello and welcome. Today we are going to take a deeper look at the incredible survival abilities of tardigrades. These microscopic creatures can survive in the most extreme conditions. So, what is the science behind their resilience? Tardigrades withstand extreme conditions by entering a cryptobiotic state called TUN. In this state, they lose 99% of their body water and nearly stop their metabolism. This process provides protection against physical and chemical changes. In the TUN state, tardigrades produce various biomolecules to stabilize their cells. One of the most important is a sugar molecule called Trehalose. Trehalose ensures that cellular structures and proteins remain stable during dehydration, protecting cells from damage. Another critical factor is the DNA repair capabilities of tardigrades. They produce proteins that protect and repair their DNA from radiation and other damage. For example, a protein called DSUP, damage suppressor, shields tardigrade DNA from radiation and speeds up repair processes. Additionally, tardigrades are highly effective in producing antioxidants. Antioxidants reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals and prevent cellular damage. This helps protect their cells from toxic environments and increases their chances of survival. Tardigrades also produce special lipids and proteins to protect their cell membranes. These molecules maintain the structure and integrity of the cell membrane, even under extreme conditions such as dehydration or freezing. Some tardigrade species use biomolecules to enhance their resistance to extreme conditions. For instance, during severe dehydration or radiation exposure, tardigrades synthesize special protective proteins that stabilize intracellular proteins and enzymes. These proteins prevent the disruption of cellular functions. Another survival strategy of tardigrades is entering a state called Anhydrobiosis. In this state, they halt their metabolic activities and become unaffected by environmental stressors. They wait for favorable conditions to resume normal activities. Lastly, tardigrades produce special proteins that stabilize and repair the structure of their double-stranded DNA. This ensures the integrity of their genetic material and prevents damage. These mechanisms enable tardigrades to survive even in the harshest conditions. To better understand the resilience of tardigrades, let's explore the extreme conditions they endure. Tardigrades can survive in temperatures as low as 272 degrees Celsius and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. They can also withstand pressures of up to 6,000 atmospheres, greater than the pressure in the Mariana Trench. These tiny creatures are not only resistant to temperature and pressure, but also to high levels of radiation. Their ability to repair DNA allows them to tolerate lethal doses of X-rays and gamma rays. Tardigrades can survive in vacuum environments, such as the depths of space. This ability has inspired space exploration and research on life on other planets. Their survival in space can provide valuable insights for future manned Mars missions or other space expeditions. The properties of tardigrades offer potential benefits for human health and technology. For instance, researching tardigrade proteins and genetic mechanisms could help develop radioprotective drugs. This could reduce the side effects of radiation therapy in cancer treatments. Furthermore, the resistance of tardigrades to dehydration can be utilized in long-term food preservation and biotechnology applications. These properties can provide innovative solutions for agriculture in arid regions and the development of long-lasting food products. Transferring the resilience genes of tardigrades to other organisms could lead to revolutionary advancements in biotechnology and genetic engineering. For example, it might be possible to make plants more resistant to drought and cold. Lastly, research on tardigrades can provide critical insights into long-term human survival in space and colony establishment. Tardigrade survival strategies can help astronauts and future space colonies adapt to extreme space conditions. In summary, the resilience of tardigrades to extreme conditions is not just a biological curiosity, but offers broad applications for humanity. These tiny creatures could provide significant benefits in health, agriculture, biotechnology, and space research in the future.